everyone! Welcome back to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. Today I'm shouting out Mary Noel and Everard. Thank you for your subscription, and this one is for you, Mary. I am making bison in my tagine today. Come and try it out. Let's go! So we are making our meal keto friendly now. We are going to put mushrooms, tomato, garlic, onion, and this baby that you see here, I put it in game meat because bison has that game flavor. I'm going to put bay leaf in it. I'm going to put a little bit of liquid smoke. If you have it, it is not very necessary, but it does give a nice flavor. Olive oil, good healthy fat, good healthy olive oil, and our bison that we have here. I'm just gonna trickle a little bit of sesame oil at the end of it to oomph that flavor. So using my tagine, I oil it as usual. You have to keep oiling it and maintaining the structure of it and the integrity of it. What we normally do, oh, did I tell you this, that because of this cone shape, because of this hole here, when the tagine is on the fire and the meat, it is steaming, that steam comes inside here and trickles back onto our meat, and that is what causes our dish to be very savory and very, very moist. So I put on my heat here. I am going to, drizzle with some olive oil, and I'm going to layer my dish right now. So I'm going to put onions and garlic. I'm going to layer with my tomato. And I'm going to put my seasoned meat on the top, just like that. In between, I'm just gonna stick in 2 bay leaf here. I'm also going to put my mushrooms like this. Tell me, how does it look? Does it look good so far? Let me know. I'm just going to put my salt right now, crackled Himalayan salt. Make sure when you're buying Himalayan salt in the grocery that it is pure and not mixed in the ingredients with any artificial stuff. And with that, I'm going to cover it. Make sure my fire is on medium to low, and we are going to leave it for 1 hour in and then check it. FYI now, this kind of cooking is for those who are working at home and do not have time to be right on the side of your stove, looking at your pot, turning your pot. No, this is, you put it, you leave it, let it cook, and you go do your business. Simple. And that's what we want sometimes, is something hassle-free. Let's go check it out. So we are seeing that our tomatoes came down, our mushrooms also. We are seeing some liquid here. Let's check out the meat and see if it is soft or not. Quite hot. Very soft. And this is about 1 hour in now. And and I could safely take it off. So I'm going to take off the heat now, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of that smoky sauce that I said, and I'll put a little bit of that sesame oil. And there we are. I'm just going to allow the flavors to marry by leaving it still to sit on the stove covered, and give it a 5 minutes, and then we will eat. Let's take a bite. Very soft, and I love the texture. I love the tomato and onion in it as well, because even though the tomato is sour, that sweetness of the onion is coming through as well, and the umami of this beautiful mushroom. I love it. I love how soft the texture of the meat is. Perfect. For your entertainment purposes, I'm just doing this to create some thumbnails now. This is just behind the scenes. Subscribe and please share my videos for more food and travel. Catch you on the next one.